in Azam City. You're watching One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. Serving you with information, news, sports, and public affairs. One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. Serving you with love. Ang telebisyong pangmasa. One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. One TV special report.
To our 2nd District Representative, Congressman Sancho Fernando F. Paminal, and to our Senso Pinoy Party List Representative, Congressman Attorney F. Paminal Jr. To our 2nd District Board members here with us today, Honorable Eduardo C. Cebedo, Honorable Jerry R. Lizon, Honorable Calvin Tito C. Desina, Honorable Henry B. Estaño, Honorable Nemesio B. Lahay, and of course to our City Governor, Honorable Attorney Sam Norman G. Fuentes, to our City Councilors, led by our Vice Mayor, Honorable Simplicio O. Neri, to the Municipal Mayors here with us, Mayor Bertoldo J. Moraleon Jr. from Don Victoriano, Honorable Liza Paminal de los Santos from Clarin, Honorable Estela O. Estaño from Tudela, Mayor Delphine Luon from Sinacaban, and Vice Mayor Tito B. Desina from Taco. And I would also like to acknowledge the presence of our esteemed guests today from the city of San Juan, starting off with Honorable Mayor Francisco Javier M. Zamora, who is also the President of the League of Cities of the Philippines, Mr. Brian Jali, Ms. Patricia Pantaleon, Ms. Rica Alvarez, Ms. Carmina Mones, Ms. Debbie Villo, Ms. Abby Dumit, Mr. Francis Lacanay, Mr. Franz Briones, and Mr. Janelle Riolet. The ceremonial signing of the Sisterhood Agreement between the cities of San Juan and Misamis is truly a momentous event that we are very delighted to be part of. This cements the commitment of both LGUs to foster cooperation and coordination for their growth and advancement. And to formally welcome us to this event, please help me welcome our City Vice Mayor, Honorable Simplicia O. Neri.
Honorable Francisco Zamora, the Mayor of San Juan, and also the National President of the League of Cities of the Philippines. Honorable Governor, the hard-working Governor of Misamis Occidental, Attorney Henry Sominal. But we have to recognize them. Our esteemed Congressman, the Honorable Congressman Santo Ando Bominal, Honorable Henry Bominal, our Honorable Mayor, Attorney Sam Norman Fuentes, our distinguished mayors, vice mayors who are around, my fellow members of the Sangguniang Pamungsod of Misamis, members of the delegation of the City Government of San Juan, or the delegation of San Juan, our staff and employees of the local government unit of Misamis, our esteemed elected officials from the 14 municipalities of Misamis Occidental and the 3 cities of Misamis, Occidental. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my distinct honor and a great privilege to warmly welcome you all on this very special occasion, the ceremonial signing of the Sisterhood Agreement between the City of Misamis and the City of San Juan. Today marks more than a 4-month signing of the document, but it is the beginning of a meaningful partnership between San Juan and Misamis City, with mutual respect, shared aspirations, and a commitment to recognized governance and faithful and sustainable development of the country. The establishment of this sisterhood reflects the vision of our leaders to build a stronger bridges between local governance, between ideas, best practices, innovations, and opportunities that can be exchanged for the benefit of our respective communities. Through this partnership, we reaffirm that progress is the best achieved when we work together, share together, learn from one another, and unite our strength and service of our people. We would like also to especially recognize the presence of a hard-working governor, Governor Henry Sominal. Nagkaka na ito kay Siyayot, ang atong mahal sa probinsya. No? Our San Juan City Mayor, Francisco Mayor Zamora, we extend our sincere gratitude by accepting our invitation for your willingness to be with us here to forge the historic relationship between Usami City and San Juan. Palakpakan natin. We are confident that today's agreement will pave the way for enduring collaboration in governance, economic development, education, culture, tourism, disaster resilience, and many other areas of mutual interests. We have also expressed our heartfelt appreciation again and again. I would like to recognize the hardworking governor. Balikon doon na akong balik-balik. Our Congressman Ando Waminal, our Congressman Indy Waminal, who are working closely in the governance of Misamis Occidental, is particularly in Misamis City. Palakpakan na to sila. We are really grateful that we have these leaders because not for them, lisod yung tayo. We were able to achieve the love and peace in Misamis Occidental, especially Misamis City, because of the effort of these people. As we witness this historic manifestation, of this historic milestone, may this partnership become a testament that genuine cooperation transcends geographical boundaries and creates lasting legacies for future generations. On behalf of the Sangguniang Pamlungsod, of Misamis, and the people of our Dolong City, I once again extend our warmest welcome to each and every one of you. May this sisterhood agreement be the beginning of a lasting friendship and a fruitful partnership between the city of Misamis and the city of San Juan. Palakpakan natin. Again, welcome to Misamis, and may God bless us all. Maraming salamat.
Thank you once again, Vice Mayor, for that very warm welcome. And indeed, this is the start of a lasting friendship and partnership between the city of Misamis and the city of San Juan. And the success of this partnership begins with the commitment and vision of our local leaders. At this point, may we invite Honorable Attorney Sam Norman G. Fuentes to deliver his message of commitment.
To the father of our province, Governor Attorney Henry Sibilia Waminal, sir. Our guest of honor, the Honorable Mayor Francisco Javier Zamora, Mayor of the City of San Juan, at the same time the President or Chairman of the Metro Manila Council, and at the same time also the President of the League of Cities of the Philippines. Our guest here, coming from the members of the Sangguniang from the province. We have here Board Member Piscina, we have here Board Member Sibeto, Board Member Lahay-Lahay, Board Member Attorney Istanio, Board Member Quizon, and Board Member Villanueva. My fellow mayors in the 2nd District, Mayor Rogelio Lood of Sinacaban, Mayor Risa Waminal de los Santos of Clarin, Mayor Istanio of Tudela, the members of the Sangguniang Panglungsod of the City of Misamis, the officials and delegates coming from the City of San Juan here present, department heads, ladies and gentlemen, fellow workers of government, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant afternoon to all. Today we are gathered for this ceremonial signing sisterhood between the cities of San Juan and Osamis. it is both meaningful and I would say providential. Providential because unbeknownst to Mayor Mr. Pres, Francisco Zamora, when he called up, suggesting the day, the proposal, and the scheduled date, we were still in the process of planning for the fiesta celebration that we have. So when he made the proposal, naturally I agreed, knowing that his presence here we could, to be honest, we will be utilizing also as part of the highlight for our own celebration of our 78th Jack birthday anniversary. It is not fitting and proper also to do this. This partnership signifies that as we celebrate 78 years of existence, the city of Ozamis is at the same time opening doors of new opportunities, strengthening intercity cooperation, and building bridges of friendship that transcends geographical boundaries. Far from being just a mere document signing, we are establishing a lasting partnership founded on mutual respect, shared aspirations, and the common commitment to the welfare of our people. The city of Ozamis is honored to join hands with our country's, one of our country's most dynamic and progressive city. We firmly believe that through this sisterhood agreement, both our cities can learn from each other, exchange best practices, and create meaningful collaboration that will benefit our communities. We look forward, therefore, to fostering cooperation in the fields of good governance and public administration, education and human resource development, culture, arts, and tourism promotion, trade investments and economic development, youth and sports development, environmental protection and climate resiliency, disaster risk reduction and emergency preparedness, and social services and community empowerment. As the great Filipino nationalist and statesman Claro M. Recto once said, "No nation can survive unless its people are united in purpose and determined in the pursuit of a common good." These words indeed capture the very essence of today's occasion. Nobody can help us except we ourselves as Filipinos. This sisterhood agreement is a testament to our unity of purpose and our commitment to pursue the common good for all concerned. It is a declaration that despite distance, as obviously San Juan is in Metro Manila, that separate us from the city of San Juan, we are united by a common aspiration to provide better opportunities for our constituents and to build communities where every citizen can live with dignity, hope, and prosperity. As we celebrate the 70th Charter Day anniversary of the city of Ozamis, may this partnership become one of the enduring legacies of this time. May future generations look back upon this day and remember that during that anniversary celebration, we choose not only to honor our past, but also to invest in the future by forging friendship and partnership that will create lasting opportunities for all our people. On behalf of the city government and the people of Ozamis, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to Mayor Francisco Javier Zamora and the entire city government of San Juan for embracing this partnership and for sharing with us this momentous occasion. To our brothers and sisters from the city of San Juan, we extend not only our partnership, but also our sincere friendship. Together, let us build bridges of cooperation, strengthen local governance, and create a legacy of unity and shared prosperity for our cities and for our constituents. As we formally seal the Sisterhood Agreement today, let us move forward with renewed hope, unwavering commitment, and shared determination to transform their partnership into meaningful programs with tangible outcomes that will benefit the generations of upcoming constituents and citizens of our respective cities. Before I conclude this short commitment statement, I would like to, there is a saying that says, there is a saying that goes that if one can see 3 days ahead, it could be, if one can see and know 3 days in advance, he could be the richest man in the world. No, I am not in any way prescient. But in law, as our governor would attest, there is what you call res ipsa loquitur. The facts speak for themselves. If you look at the city of San Juan, 3 former statesmen from San Juan, when their term expired after their service to the city of San Juan, went to the Senate after their term expired. One even made it to the highest elected post in the country. That is undeniable. So, I am not in any way preempting, but whatever be the plans of our distinguished guest, he is rest assured that we will be with him, whatever it is. It's more than just the sisterhood agreement. He is married to Gary Neri, who is from the Neri clan of our city. So partly, we call it Bayaw. He is also an Usangisnon by fact. So, on this occasion, of the 78th Charter Anniversary, let us continue to embody the spirit of service, unity, and progress that has defined the city of Osamis throughout the years. Happy 78th Charter Day Anniversary to the city of Osamis. Mabuhay ang San Juan City! Mabuhay ang lungsod ng Osamis! Mabuhay ang pagkaisa ng sambayanang Pilipino!
Thank you so much for that very inspiring message, Honorable Mayor Sam Normanji Buwan. Indeed, we have learned and heard so much from Mayor's message of commitment. And now this time around, may we invite our distinguished guest, Honorable Francisco Javier M. Zamora, to deliver his message of commitment.
Hawakan ko na lang siguro kasi minsan mahirap maging masyado matangkad. Mari po tayong upo. Mayong hapon kanilang tanan. Sa atin pong nirespeto at tinitingala, na po ay nakasama na aking ama sa mabang panahon bilang congressman. Ang aking pong ama ay naglingkod po ng 10 termino bilang congressman ng San Juan at 3 terminador. Makasama po sila ng ating gobernador at kinakwento po ni gobernador kanina na nung siya po ay member pa ng KB o Kabataan Barangay. Isa po ang aking ama sa mga tumutulong sa kanila sapagat ang aking ama po was the youngest member of the Executive Committee of then President Ferdinand Marcos. So, long history of being together, of course, ang pamilya Zamora at pamilya Maminal. Pakapang po natin ang pamilya Maminal. Nais kumilang po kayo po ang ating mga board members na nandito. Magalang-galang Eduardo Cebedo. Magalang-galang Jerry Cuizo. Magalang-galang Calvin Desina. Kagalang-galang Angie Estanyo, kagalang-galang Nemesio Lahay-Lahay. Of course, ang kasama ko po sa League of Cities of the Philippines at isang karangalan na sa loob po ng ilang minuto ay magiging magkapatid na po tayo. Palakpakan natin, kagalang-galang Mayor Sam Fuentes. At ang aking kamag-anak, ang aking in-law, sapagkat ngayon ko lang nalaman na ang tatay po ng kanyang asawa ay kapatid ng aking father-in-law, si Dr. George Neri. Palakpakan natin ang Vice Mayor Patricia Neri. And of course, I would like to acknowledge our city councilors, kagalang-galang Lordy Fuentes Cipres, kagalang-galang Catherine Lim, kagalang-galang Cecil Co, kagalang-galang Roland Dinky Suizo Jr., kagalang-galang Marcelo Archie Romero II, kagalang-galang Juanito Sakin Jr., kagalang-galang Attorney Marcelian Mars Tapaya, kagalang-galang Attorney Daniel Lau, kagalang-galang Saulo Salvador, kagalang-galang Sancho Huminal Jr., kagalang-galang Salvador Canlas Jr., kagalang-galang John Fel Duhay Lungsod, kagalang-galang Bertoldo Moralion Jr., at ang ating pong mga municipal mayors, of course, si kagalang-galang Bertoldo Moralion Jr. po ay isang municipal mayor sa Occidental. Kagalang-galang Riza Huminal de los Santos, kagalang-galang Estela Estanyo, kagalang-galang Delo Luod, at ang Vice Mayor po ng ating sister city na Hangtangug City nandito po, kagalang-galang Tito Lucena, at ang mga department heads po ng pamahalaan lokal ng Ozamis City sa pamumuno po ni City Administrator Rodeza Grace Juano. Ngayon sa inyong lahat, isang magandang hapon po, baka po na lang yan. Alam niyo ba, kwento ko lang sa inyo, minsan po akong nalumpa sa Malacanang bilang National President ng League of Cities of the Philippines. Ang laki po ng problema ko. Kasi nung tinawag po ako sa harap, yung microphone sobrang baba. Tapos, yung pulupot ng wire, 5 beses nakapulupot. Ano ba lang naman siya? 5 beses po siya nakapulupot. At hindi ko na talaga mahatak. Kaya kinakausap ko po ang ating Pangulong Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. na kayo po the whole time. So, muli, maraming salamat po. I will shift to this. Ayan. So, ako po ay ako po si Mayor Francis Zamora, kasalukuyan pong Pulong Lungsod ng San Juan, kasalukuyan din pong National President ng League of Cities of the Philippines, kung saan pinamumunuan po natin ang 149 na city mayor sa ating bansa. At kasalukuyan din pong Metro Manila Council President, kung saan pinamumunuan po natin ang 17 mayors ng Metro Manila. So napakaraming responsibilidad ang natatas po sa atin. Ngunit isang pong gusto ko sabihin, ako'y nagpapasalamat sa pagkakatiwala po sa atin ang mga kapwa-mayors po natin, pati po mismo ang Pangulo ng Republika ng Pilipinas. Kung kaya nandito po ako ngayon upang umirma ng isang kasunduan bilang magkapatid, kasama po ako sa aming city. At ako'y nagpapasalamat sapagkat tinangkilik niyo po ang aming sulat upang tayo po ay maging magkapatid. So pinasa po namin unanimously ang aming resolution calling on Ozamis City for us to be sister LGUs. At ako po ay bumiyahe ng malayo-layo. Matagal-tagal ang biyahe po gamit ng aeroplano. Ako ay unang pumunta po sa Pagadian City kahapon at kanina naman po nasa Oroqueta City. Ngayon po, nandito na po sa Ozamis City ang lungsod ng aking father-in-law, Dr. George Neri. At ang tagal ko na kung gusto pumunta ng Ozamis City, sapagkat alam mo nga po, ang aking father-in-law, ang kanilang pamilya po ay mula dito sa inyong lungsod. At sa pagkakataong ito, ako'y nagpapasalamat kasi nandito ako ang aking kamag-anak. Kami po ay nagkakilala na rin po. At dahil ako sa mahabang pagsasama ng aking ama, kay Bob Henry, at gusto ko rin pong sabihin sa inyo that last term, si Mayor Indy ay nakasama ko rin po sa League of Cities of the Philippines. So, it's an honor to be here in Ozami City. At ito po siguro gusto ko sabihin, bakit po ba mahalaga magkaroon ng mga sister agreement? Tama po yung sinabi ni Mayor Sam, yung sharing of best practices. Ang dami natin pwedeng matutunan sa isa't isa. Gusto ko po matuto sa inyo. Ano po ba yung mga magagandang ginagawa po ninyo sa Ozami City na pwede namin gawin sa San Juan? At ganoon din, yung munting nagawa po namin sa San Juan City, nais din namin nung ibahagi sa inyo. Sapagat walang sinong mayor makakapagsabi na alam na niyang lahat. All of us have something to learn from each other. Sa aking pong pag-ikot sa iba't ibang bagay na ating bansa, ang dami ko pong nakikilala mga mayors, vice mayors, mga konsihal, mga governors, vice governors, mga bukal, at yung mismong kwentuhan lamang. Yung sabi mong 5 minutes, 10 minutes na kwentuhan, doon pa lamang ang dami mo lang matututunan. Kaya ako po, I honestly am very strong in forging sister agreements because I believe that we can learn so much from each other. And more importantly, this partnership is something that we will sustain. So, ano yung mga pwede natin gawin? Siguro, kung may mga produkto ang Ozami City, baka pwede nating ibenta sa Green Hills Shopping Center namin sa San Juan upang mas pakilala po na aming mga bayan. Ngayon po, tourism opportunities, pwede rin nating ipagmalaki sa San Juan, ganun din sa Metro Manila. So that we can help a little in terms of your tourist arrivals here in your city. And again, when we talk about our products, our tourism opportunities, ako'y umaasa rin po at minsan makadalo din po kayo ng San Juan. Alam niyo po ang San Juan ay makasaysayan. Dito po matatagpuan ang El Deposito Underground Water Reservoir sa Pinaglabanan Shrine. Ito po ang inatake ni Andres Bonifacio noong August 30, 1896. Sapagat yan po ang supply ng tubig ng Kamaynilaan noong panahon yun. Pagaman natalo po sila Andres Bonifacio sa Battle of Pinaglabanan, namin pong pinagdiriwang taon-taon, ito po ay nagsilbing hudyat na mas malaki ang pakikipaglaban na tuluyan nagbigay po ng kalayahan sa bansang Pilipinas. So noong taong 2021, nabuksan namin yung bahagi ng tunnel nito at ngayon po ay napupuntahan na ng libo-libong mamamayan linggo-linggo. So you can actually walk into the tunnel which was built back in the 1800s. Kung familiar po kayo sa lungsod ng Marikina, yan po ay isang 10-kilometer tunnel from Marikina River to San Juan. At mula po sa San Juan, dahil medyo mataas po ang elevation ng aming lungsod, ang tubig po ay bumababa sa iba't ibang bahagi po ng Maynila. So yan po ay isa sa mga pinakamakasaysayan lugar sa ating bansa. At pinagdiriwang po natin ang ating araw ng pinaglabanan taon-taon tuwing August 30. And San Juan is one of only about 4 cities that officially celebrate Independence Day every year. So yan po ang pwede namin i-offer sa inyo, ang aming historical tourism, para maranasan nyo rin po yung panahon ng Kastila at panahon ng Himagsikan. At bilang National President naman po ng League of Cities of the Philippines, tungkulin ko po na siguraduhin na mga proyekto at programa ng ating pamahalaan nasyonal ay umaabot sa ating member cities. Kasama po ang Ozami City, kasama po ang Canggu City, kasama po ang Orpieta City. At unang tanong ko nga kanina kay Mayor, dumating na ba yung bigas ninyo para sa Ozami City? So, I will coordinate with the DBM. Alam ko naman po, malapit po ang ating gobernador sa ating bagong Pilipinas Administration. Ganun naman, I will do my share in coordinating with DBM para po yung local government support fund na dapat ma-download sa Ozami City ay ma-download na as soon as possible. Yeah. So, yun po aking tungkulin to look over and watch over our member cities to make sure that their issues and concerns are heard. Ako ay nagsisilbing tulay po mula sa pamahalaan nasyonal patungo sa ating mga LGUs at ganoon din mula sa ating mga LGUs patungo po sa ating pamahalaan nasyonal. Bukas po ako ay pupunta ng Canggu City, tapos nilipat naman po ng Lanao del Norte. Noong nakarang linggo, ako po na sa General Santos City at Sarangani Province sa bilang sister city ng San Juan, tumulong po kami sa Gensan dahil sila po ay tinamaan po ng malakas na paglindol. So, bahagi po ng ating magiging magkapatid ay ang pagtutulungan. Ang magkakapatid nagtutulungan, nagmamahalan. At pagdating ng panahon, anumang mga pagsubok at ating harapin, alam natin na meron tayong kapatid sa San Juan at meron tayong kapatid sa Osamis. At yan po ang mahalaga dito. Na minsan, kung sakaling meron po kayong mga mamamayan na mapunta ng San Juan at pagkaroon ng konting kabalyaron, mabagay lang po ako at magbibigay tayo ng saklolo sa kanila. At ganoon din po, kung meron pa naman na sila na pumunta ko dito at medyo merong problema, ay aasa po kami na magbibigay din po kayo ng saklolo sa kanila. At kung namang mga pagsubok nga natin papagdaanan sa mga darating na panahon, alam natin na meron tayong maasahan sa isa't isa. That is the essence of our agreement today, which we will strengthen and sustain in the years to come. At sa inyo pong padating na 78th Charter Anniversary, ako po yung mabati ng Happy Anniversary po sa inyong lungsod. Ang tanda nyo na pala bilang isang lungsod. Kami po, 2007 lang, naging city. Yun po ay sa visa ng Cityhood Do o yung City Charter na itinasa po ng aking ama na si Congressman Noy Zamora. So we are very young as a city, but in the last 7 years, mula po lang tayo naging mayor, ay talagang ginawa natin ang lahat upang mabago po ang aming lungsod. Siguro, kilala niyo naman po yung mga namumuno sa amin dati, 50 taon po sila sa aming lungsod. Kaya noong 2019 po talagang ang aming mga mamayan ay naghanap ng pagbabago. At yun po ang aking sumikapan po talaga na baguhin ang aming lungsod, kung paano ito pinapatakbo. At ngayon po, ito na ang makabagong sanban na aming pinangako sa aming mga mamayan. Kaya sa araw nito, ako ay lubos na magpasalamat sa inyo pong napakainit na pagtanggap at naway maging simula po ito ng mahabang pagsasama natin bilang magkakapatid. Maraming salamat po. Mabuhay ang Osamis City. Mabuhay ang Osamis City. Mabuhay ang Osamis City.